Hey there everyone, Jason DePaoli here from The Edge Strength and Conditioning. Here I'm back doing another video for you to talk about things about health and fitness, strength and conditioning, anything like that. Now, I talk about to my clients about laying your foundations down first. It's the real key thing to do. Now, I get asked about supplements and other different training strategies, which is cool, but often these questions are like from women mainly, who are yet to build like a solid, strong foundation and nutritional habits. They mostly sort of, what I've been talking to, been doing sort of like fad starvation diets and these pyramid schemes and stuff that really don't work. Yet, like, they are still sort of like constantly they are following a sort of well-integrated strength training program, but they haven't laid their foundations down first. Here are a few things that you should really sort of focus on first before you getting into supplements and other training strategies and everything like that. Now, the first one is a basic one, is easy one. You've got to get strong. Laying your foundations is going to get you strong. I don't mean endless like kickbacks and banded glute walks. I see that a lot nowadays because it's very popular, because it's on social media. Everyone does it, but I want you to focus on getting strong on a variety of compound lifts across like sort of between sort of the 8 and 15 rep range with really good impeccable form, and form is key here, and then your physique will change for the better once you get stronger. So it's your form and everything like that. So don't look at everything you see on social media. Get a proper strength and conditioning coach that can do a good integrated workout to lay the foundations first, then you'll be able to get stronger. So the next thing is to eat real food. Now, I do say this a lot with my clients and when I'm talking here on videos and stuff. It's when it comes to like fat loss, the truth is like calories are king. That is the main. It's just easy. It's just easy just to think about calories. Don't worry about macronutrients and fats and proteins and carbs and stuff. It's just focus on the calories to start off with. Like I say, we're laying your foundations. So the quality of food will like dictate how you feel, and also it will ultimately drive you to have a better performance in the gym. And that's what we all strive to be, or to the goal we want to get to. So I want you to sort of like think about when eating real food is to get in a variety of colours from fruits, grains, vegetables, combine them with a selection of good meats, and fish is another good thing. And then if you have calories left over from that, then yes, you can have your favourite snack, but keeping a good, well-balanced diet in a good calorie deficit if you want to lose fat, not too much, and you have to eat real food. Now, I do hear people saying there's different calories and stuff. Calories mean different. I'm going to maybe use that on another video, but not all calories are the same. But you can, if you eat real food, have good colours from every sort of source, like fruits, vegetables, meat, you're going to lay those foundations much more quicker. So the next thing I want you to focus on is like stress management. So when it comes to training, more is not always better, if you know what I mean. I find that females likely tend to overdo it compared with us male counterparts. While it's true that females can handle high amounts of volume combined with stress that comes with like running a business or staying at home and looking after loads of kids, sometimes even that can become too much. So what I want you to think you're doing, if you're going into the gym and you're stressed out, I just want you maybe for stress management is to lower the number of days you go into the gym. Like if you're going 6 days a week, don't lower it down to maybe 3 or 4, and just focus on quality of routines, and that would be much better for your stress management. So if you can do that and get more quality workouts, then you can maybe instead to just de-stress yourself is do more things that help manage that stress. So maybe go to a meditation class, or go to a yoga, or maybe go out for a long walk along the beach with the dogs or with your things. Just de-stress yourself would be much better. So if you can nail these foundations first, then you can look to optimize the smaller things. So firstly, you want to optimize your lifestyle, training, and then nutrition. And once you've got those nailed, you can like I say, you can consider the smaller details such as supplements and like advanced training ideas. So you don't have to go straight into I want lots of fat burners, CLA. There's so much supplements out there. It's untrue. And advanced workout schemes. Just laying the foundations, get the basics done with impeccable technique, get good habits of eating food, real food, and see if you can manage to de-stress yourself. And that laying the foundations, then you can go on and sort of think about supplements and advanced training routines. So there you go. I'm Jason Topalli from the Edge Strength and Conditioning. Hope you like this little video. If you're still with me, watching me now about this, I do rant on a bit, but I like to think that I'm giving you my advice and my sort of experience over 18 years of being a strength and conditioning coach. So if you do like this, please give it a thumbs up. Please like and share. Please click me on social media. I'll put a link to my Instagram, also on Facebook and everything else, and Twitter. Well, not on Twitter too much, but Facebook. Please get me on there. And yeah, and I shall see you on another video coming real soon.